I'm back with another xTool tutorial, and in this video I'm sharing these easy beginner laser cut luggage tags. I am using my xTool M1 laser machine for this project, and I wanted to add that I recently added the air assist that has been so helpful to make sure that I don't have any burned edges on any wood projects like these wooden luggage tags. And I also added the smoke purifier, which has been extremely helpful. Oh, I will link them both in the description. If you don't already own them, I highly recommend them. All right, let's get started on this fun tutorial. You're going to start by uploading the SVG file into xTool Creative Space. Then you're going to see here that you have two different layers. I'm going to set the first layer to cut and the second layer to engrave. There is a cut layer that you will see here when I move this tag, and we need to remove that cut layer. So in order to do that, I'm just going to move things around on my canvas. I'm going to select that cut layer, and I'm going to delete all those little cut images. You can see these little blue images inside of the letters. I'm going to remove them, then I'm going to group this. So we want to keep this purple image. We want to remove that blue image inside the tag. In order to do that, I'm going to use a rectangle shape and I'm going to unite it. So it's basically just going to delete it. It's going to create it like it's one piece. Then I'm going to move that, here we go again, engraved portion back into the tag and group it all together. And you're just going to repeat those steps for the other two tags. Next, I played around with the sizing of the tags. I wanted them to be able to fit a business card inside. They are around 2.5 inches by 4.25 inches, but you'll also end up sizing it again once you have your machine connected and you can see the camera and where exactly this image will lay on your wood. Next, I changed the settings for the cut and the engrave. I wanted the cut to be at 100% power and a 3 for the speed. And then the engraving I set at 90% power and 150 for the speed. And both of them 1 pass. Then you'll need to turn on the machine and place the triangular prisms on the metal plate and the wood on top of the triangular prisms. You can refresh your machine to see the camera image of the wood inside the machine, and then you can adjust the size of your cut and engraved images so that they will cut on that size piece of wood. Then you just hit the process button and watch the machine do the work. Okay, so I'm over at the machine. And you can see here the project has just started and it took about 10 minutes total. So I'm just going to show you clips of the laser cutting and engraving process. And once I had everything complete, let's just go over how I assembled these. You don't necessarily need to have a back like I did. I wanted to be able to put like a little name card or business card in here. So what I did was I just used my tacky glue, and this is the Fast Grab tacky glue. It works well on fabric and wood products. I've used it for years as a crafter. I highly recommend it. And I only added a little glue on the outer edge there because I wanted to be able to insert a business card, like I said. So I went ahead and I grabbed one of my business cards and I stuck it in there just to see how it looked. And then I went and I grabbed these metal snap fasteners and some leather ribbon, and this is a real leather, although I have found some fake leather at Dollar Tree before. I just followed the instructions on the back where they say to use a hammer to attach it. You could also use pliers just for these, but if I have to do this all over again, I would probably just use ribbon to attach it, only because these snaps are not the easiest to work with. But I love how these turned out, and if you want to grab that SVG file, you can find it linked in the description. I hope you enjoyed this DIY wooden luggage tag tutorial. The xTool M1 machine has many versatile uses, and I love engraving wood with my machine. You can personalize these luggage tags by adding your contact info in your preferred font. You can even try this luggage tag SVG file on leather and other fabrics using other machines.